We're misting with wet water over all of the scenery now. Once we use the atomizer, we can get on it with a much bigger bottle to really soak everything. And now it won't beat up. This is wet water again. We did this step first, it would just blow off the scenery as happened here. Mixture of white glue and water. To make it sprayable, we can only put about 20% glue in water. And this is the first step of gluing. We might even have to make it thinner than this to make it sprayable. We're just using white glue. In most press bottles, it makes a nice spray bottle. And we'll fill it up with this very weak solution of white glue, mostly water. And that makes a sprayable consistency. So we're spraying the very dilute white glue on it. To make it a sprayable consistency, it's pretty weak. This will not make it permanent, but it will make a crust on everything which will hold it still. Cleaning the ties and the inside of the rail before we spray the heavy glue on it, because this is a lot easier to remove ballast that got inside the rail or on top of the ties while it's got the weak glue on it than after we hose it with the heavy glue.